There are towns you pass through and towns you grow into. Mooresville, North Carolina is both. Resting along the northern edge of Lake Norman, Mooresville sits at a crossroads between speed and stillness, lake life and commercial progress, small town familiarity and national influence. To some, it's known as Race City, USA. To others, it's home. And to understand Mooresville, you have to see it from above, where every road, field, and neighborhood connects. On our first stop, downtown Mooresville takes shape. As we pass over Main Street, the town starts to invite you into its community. From above, the grid becomes clear. Historic buildings anchor the center. Sidewalks frame the streets. This is the heart of the town. Here, movement slows again, not because life stops, but because it gathers. Downtown Mooresville isn't large, but it's deliberate. This area has undergone steady revitalization without erasing its past. Buildings have been restored rather than replaced. Sidewalks remain active, and events bring the town together throughout the year. As we leave downtown behind, the landscape begins to open. Ahead of us is land that tells a much older story. Welcome to Carrigan Farms, a place where Mooresville's agricultural roots are still very much alive. Carrigan Farms has been owned and operated by the same family for 5 generations, dating back to the early 1900s. While much of the surrounding area has grown and developed, this land has remained intact, not by chance, but by intention. This is working land, preserved land, land that continues to serve the community. Ahead of us is the engine behind Mooresville's most recognized identity. Below sits the NASCAR Technical Institute, a cornerstone of what made this town known around the world as Race City, USA. From above, the campus is orderly and quiet, but inside, this is where motion is engineered. The NASCAR Technical Institute was established to train the next generation of motorsports professionals, mechanics, fabricators, and technicians who will work on some of the most advanced racing machines in the world. Because even in Race City, USA, the engines eventually shut off. It is on Lake Norman, a place that captures a different side of Mooresville. Eddie's is more than a restaurant. It's a meeting point for locals, for visitors, for crews and families looking to slow the pace after a long day. A familiar grid of streets, historic buildings holding their place, a reminder of where the town began. But beyond these few blocks, Mooresville quickly becomes something else. The streets begin to stretch outward. Ahead, a different kind of structure comes into view. Below sits Langtree Charter Academy. From the air, it's precise and organized. Fields, buildings, movement contained within purpose. On the ground, it's momentum. Students arriving, teams forming, a future taking shape one day at a time. In Mooresville, education isn't separate from the community. It's part of the cycle. And as we continue forward, that growth extends beyond the classroom. Neighborhoods take shape. From above, they unfold in patterns. Tree-lined roads, quiet corners, homes built for stability. This is where Mooresville lives. Not in the storefronts, but in the spaces between them. Morning routines begin here. Evenings return here. Day after day, life repeats, steady and consistent. And in recent years, more and more people have chosen to make it home. Since 2010, Mooresville has grown by more than 40%, a pace that places it among the fastest growing communities in the Lake Norman region. From above, that growth is visible. New developments blend with established neighborhoods. Expansion without losing structure. But growth like this doesn't happen without reason. Mooresville sits just north of Charlotte, close enough for opportunity, far enough for space. Race City, USA. As we begin to pull back, the full picture comes into view. With more than 60 NASCAR teams and racing operations based in the area, this town has built a reputation around performance, engineering, and precision, while holding on to what makes it special. We're reminded that Mooresville's strength lies in its balance. Whether you're strolling through local stores or enjoying the lake, it's a community where everyday life feels connected, welcoming, and ready to grow with you. As we come to a close, Mooresville begins to feel like a treasure kept secret, just 30 minutes north of Charlotte. A town of just over 50,000 people and continuing to grow year after year. Over the last decade, the population here has increased by more than 40%, driven by access, opportunity, and quality of life. On behalf of Port City Heights, we would like to thank you for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We will see you in the next video.
Welcome to Port City Heights. your gateway to an expansive online stock library of stunning aerial footage. Explore our expansive online stock footage library, boasting an ever-expanding array of breathtaking aerial images and videos. It's a haven for marketers, filmmakers, and content creators in pursuit of that picture-perfect shot. What makes us stand out? Our hassle monthly subscription. Dive into a realm of awe-inspiring aerial content with the liberty to explore. Take your project to new heights with Port City Heights. Visit our website to explore our stock library.